Oh, lunch? You're not doing it? You got
No. Well, it just, it kind of, buffers. So, well, I'm getting in the shade then. So we are near and we're in Honolulu. There's Craterhead. We went to the bakery. We got some salt bread. They call it salt and butter bread, but it's salt bread from Korea. At the bakery, I'll have to ask Gav where it was. I forgot the name. And it's beautiful here. There's Gav. This is such a nice area. Lots of coral reefs, very sharp rocks. Maybe suggest wearing some shoes that have little bottoms on it if your feet are tender or delicate. What was the bakery that we went to, honey? What was that bakery? Komiyoto? Something. It's like, if you Google salt bread, it's a 4.5 on Google. The other one, there was a 5.0, but I don't think they have salt bread. There is parking, as you see, all along the walls, or the road, I mean, this wall. But, we just parked underneath in the parking, I think right over there, back there, right back there, parked there. It's not much of a walk, and since we ate a big breakfast, you really need to, huh? Turn around?
Yeah.
I don't want to turn around yet.
Huh?
I want to turn around up here.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, it's pretty nice. Got lots of birds. Apparently you got wet. You look wet, sir. He wet. He must have took a bath. Oh, yeah.
You're gonna have to find your balance.
But here we are. This is pretty much it. And this nice little beautiful stroll.